4 of the best drone companies across the country who focus specifically on roofing have all teamed up together to provide the highest level quality that is out there in the entire industry. So don't go anywhere. You don't want to miss this. So the first thing I want to talk about is who are the companies involved and why specifically we chose them to bring them on board. Now, the first one is obviously my company, Blue Falcon Aerial. We have a significant amount of experience in the training, the marketing, the sales, the client management. That's really where we have the most value to this partnership, and that's what we're going to be focusing on. So ultimately, we are going to be doing a lot of the training and providing those drone integrations to those individual roofing companies. You come to us and you let us know that you want a very specific program or training or whatever that would look like. We're able to facilitate that either through us or our partner companies that we now have on board. The second company in this partnership is Drone Scan Pro. They are providing us with their extensive pilot network to where now you have the ability to have pilots on demand where you need them anywhere across the country. And these pilots are specifically trained on the roofing industry and what shot sheets are going to provide the most value and really help you in your pre-inspection, your sales, or in your re-inspection for the actual insurance companies. The third company in our partnership is Databird Solutions. This is a company specialized on advanced data processing. They are able to do those specialized high-value deliverables that you would be looking for specifically on commercial roofs. This is the moisture detection, the thermal, doing those 3D maps and models, all the different measurements. You will have a massive leg up on your competition in actually winning and securing those large contracts. The fourth company that we're bringing on board is CG Drones out of Florida. This company specializes in the solar industry, and as you guys are well aware, solar and roofing have a ton of overlap. Well, here's the thing. Now that we have CG Drones as part of our partnership, a roofing company can now get access to CG Drones, in which case they can build up a solar program and have that expert advice or consultations or mapping or modeling or irradiance models or anything else they might need to build out that state-of-the-art solar program to complement their existing roofing. So now that you know the company is involved, now that you have the ability to do training, building your own drone program, you also have the ability to have a subcontract network across the entire United States. And now you have the ability to generate these 3D maps and models. You have all the thermal imaging that you may need for your commercial projects. And now you also have the ability to have these solar irradiance models and all the plan sets and everything else that you may need to really take that solar program from where you are now to where you want to get to. And now that we have all of this in one single package, we can actually say, yes, we can do that. Now let's talk about why this partnership was so incredibly important to us. The drone industry is broken down into a few different niches. Typically, the larger a company gets, the more diverse and widespread their offering actually becomes. Well, what ends up happening is that a company will become too diverse and they won't have enough understanding of your specific needs. That's where Blue Falcon and our new joint partnership is different. Instead of getting wide and going into the precision agriculture and the engineering and all the other different sorts of things that we can do, we actually became very large, but still incredibly niched down to the roofing and the solar industries. That means you're still going to have the same level of customer care and service as if you were using a large company, but still hyper-focused on this specific portion of the industry. We only do roofing and solar and nothing else. This means that when you come to us with specific issues, we can actually understand what you're looking for. We have a lot of experience with the sort of pains and challenges and have different case studies of your specific problems and other ways that we've solved it for other companies. This also means that now your problems and pains and concerns are no longer too big or too complex for us to manage because we have all those resources in-house. So whether you're looking for residential inspections using very high quality drones, or needing additional manpower after storms, or maybe some sort of 3D modeling and mapping to win that commercial project, or potentially some moisture detection things with thermal, and trying to really identify all those problem spots, show it to the insurance companies and the shareholder, or you want to take your solar program and really propel it way past what you ever thought was possible. The point is, we can now do it. So why is this important? Well, it's pretty easy. This literally did not exist before today. Our services are specifically tailored for roofing companies, which means that we are looking to provide a boutique style of solution for whatever problems that you may have. I will not say that we're the cheapest. However, if you want to get the actual results that you need to secure more clients, win those re-inspections, and really propel your business to the next level, we are absolutely the solution. So let's go ahead and have a conversation.